demonstrating a highly evolved hunting technique. When the bait fish are close to the surface, the gannets adopt a gentler, shallower dive to grab them, just a foot or two below the waves. When the sardines sound, the birds immediately revert to the high dive, hitting the surface at breakneck speeds of up to 75 miles per hour. This is where their efficient design is utilized to the maximum. Slipstream trails extend into the blue, and for the first time, we get a full perspective on how the gannets feed in the deep. The speed at which they hit the water is extraordinary, and this momentum carries them into the depths, where they can hold their breath for some 30 to 45 seconds. They then adopt an aquatic version of flight, forming a flock some 60 feet below the surface.